Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which syncs odd nodes in a binary tree. First, let us take an example. We have to sync all the odd valued nodes such that no node with odd value could be parent of node with even value. There can be multiple outputs for a given tree. We need to print one of them. Let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node to function syncOddNodes, so root will point to 1. As root is not null and not a leaf node, we process the left and right subtrees. So we call the syncOddNodes function with the left child of root, which is 2, using a call stack. As node 2 is a leaf node, we return to the previous call. Now we pass the right child of node 1, so root will point to 3. Again, as 3 is a leaf node, we return to the previous call. Next, we check if root is odd. Since 1 is an odd number, we call the sync function with root passed as parameter. Now, in the sync function, we check if root is pointing to null or if it is a leaf node. Since it is false, we check if left subtree exists and left child is even. Since left child of 1 is 2, which is even, the second if in the sync function gets satisfied and we swap root's data with root's left's data. So, 1 will be replaced by 2 and 2 by 1. Next, we call the left child of root, which is 1. So, root will point to 1. Now, as 1 is a leaf node, we return to the previous call. We have the final tree with odd nodes 1 and 3 at the bottom. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.